This is Rain. He likes to watch TV. But I have to keep an eye on him because he also likes to like try and get things on the TV. And he stands up and like scratches at it, so I have to be careful. He's very entertained right now. He's a little close. Rain, you like watching TV? He's the one who like watches or will sit on my lap while I'm on my iPad and watch my iPad. My parents have a dog, Bentley. I've showed him before on my channel. He's a West Highland Terrier. He thinks the TV's a window, so he goes crazy. Like if animals are on there or anything. Rain reminds me of watching TV. I'm not even watching, I just have it on mute. I'm on my iPad and I noticed he was doing this. I just found a channel of people who dumpster dive and they find all this amazing stuff and I'm like, wow. That would be awesome. Whoa. Whoa, Wayne. Whoa, huh? Alright, I just wanted to check in and show you guys him watching the TV. Hopefully he doesn't attack it. Oh, the ball. Now that is something. He's so cute. Oh. He liked that ball. Alright, everyone's doing well. We'll see you next time. See, he's starting already. Bye, guys.